Hello everyone, Simon here from my forexmagicweb.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap. Saturday morning, so let's get started. The week started on the 21st September, which was Monday, right? So here's the first trade, pound USD from 20-minute chart. Here on the left hand side, you'll see this is where it says the entry. This is my entry as I move to break even plus, and this is the setup. Okay, so this indicates all the way up. Blue candle turns into red, and I open the trade. And there are a couple other conditions for the setup, of course. So this is the first one for 95 pip. You will see a lot of pound USD shorts, and it is because of a reason, and I'll show that chart maybe in the next video. Excuse me. So the next trade on the 21st was pound yen, right? Pound was getting weaker, so all pound pair were going down. So this is a nice, beautiful setup here again for 140 pip. Sell order, sell to break even plus all the way down here, 140 pip. Pound yen here on the 21st. Pound Aussie also went down. All of these because of the pound weakness, right? Sell order here, and this is for 85 pip. It is, it's a small compared to pound yen because yen was getting strong and Aussie was getting weaker. So with the weaker, both currencies getting weaker, but one was getting more weaker than the other, especially the left-hand side currencies. So the pair goes down, but not as much as the others because this is also weak. All right. So now Euro Newsy on the 21st, it went up because of the Newsy weakness big time. Right, I'll show you the chart next in the next video. All those weekly setups I'll make another video. That's not separate. This is a buy order here for 85 pip. All of these are the same Monday. Sometimes, but usually Monday is a very slow day, but this was very, very active. And on the 21st, again, Euro Aussie as well. It went up. Aussie and Newsy both this week, they both got weaker big time. All right, so 21st, again, this is for 70 pip. So probably going to see 22nd. Okay, there's 22nd now. This was the first trade. This is the second, pound USD. It went retrace, right? I had this entry as well, but I got knocked out at a break even here. And then it went up. I showed it at the pivot point again and 120 pip. Here is pound CAD again to the downside, 90 pip. Here, Euro Aussie, the first trade was the other one, and then this is the, that was probably this one, right? It went up, I cashed out, and then again, it retraced. Beautiful entry again on the 22nd, 100 pip, all the way up. You need to know the why I hold these pairs for 140, 130, 100 pip easy, right? Because they have daily range, big daily range. They move on a daily basis, they move more than 100 pip, 100, 150, sometimes 200 pip a day. Right, so most of the time they move big. Unlike the other pairs, a lot of other pairs they don't move much. The whole day they move like 50, 60, 70 pip. So they're not worth trading. Here, Aussie USD usually I don't trade because this moves very slow. But since the Aussie was getting very, very weak and the USD was getting strong, that's why I just took it. Very nice entry for 100 pip. I'll show all those index charts in the next video. Here, pound newsy, this is the big one, right, on the 23rd, because of the fact that pounds start to make the turn and start getting strong, and newsy was badly weakened, and that's why this pair fly so much. I think that day, this pair moved 300 pip. Okay, so I got 190 out of that. Here, Euro newsy, this one again, 135 pip to the upside because the newsy getting killed. Now pound Aussie also, the first entry was, you saw it, and then this is the second one on the 23rd. After the retracement, start to go up. Every day the same story happens. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. The move happens, then the retracement the following day or the following session. Then in the volume time, they get ready and then pull it again and again. So, the same thing happens, same thing repeats itself every single day. So you're supposed to take the trades when the trade goes in the way, in the direction of the trend, in the volume time, and stay away from the market when it is retracing. And you need to learn that when the market is moving, really like buyers or sellers are coming in, and when they have gotten out, and the market is retracing. Okay, so when the traders are out and the market is retracing, stay away from the market. Don't get into the market, because it's going to be ranging and it's going to take out your SL easily. But when they come in the volume time, they come and they put the money on the line. The smart money goes to work, and that's where the market start moving, and you get in then. Okay, and you have to have a setup. If you go in the market, for example, you go long here, what's going to happen? You will be negative 30, 40 pip, and you will close your trade. You will get scared, right? You will close the trade, and then as soon as you close your trade, it will start going to the upside. So the entry, my setup is like this indicator when it's all the way down here, and then the red candle turns blue, couple of blue candles, and we make an entry. Not before that. So if it is dropping, red candle, red, 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 right? Then you don't go long and you wait. And then once it's here and then start to go up, you can get in here. You can get in here, right? Right here, right here. Even here, it's okay. Even if your SL hit, you can get in again and then catch up with it, whatever. Here, same thing. So this is how the setup is. Now here, USD CAD, it went down because of the USD dollar index. I'll show you. And it's written there that the USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen will be going up. So, and they start to go up. And I thought this was an entry as well, but this is the proper entry. So I got this one and gone with the wind. Here, Euro Aussie again. This was the first one you saw already, and this is the second one on the 24th, 120 pip by the book entry. Beautiful. Straight to the upside. Here, the Aussie yen, because here Aussie is on the left-hand side. So Aussie is getting weaker, the weaker currency on the left-hand side. Yen was getting strong. Boom. All the way. It was as it is, was dropping. Beautiful entry here, right? Which I miss. This was all these entries, but I caught it on the 24th, and it was a Thursday, right? And it's a nice 140 pip here. Then pound USD here, the small chart here. This trade I did. I took the picture, but it was 55 pips. I didn't close it, right? And what happened? It came in and hit my SL. So this is not the trade. I didn't have it. I don't have it here. I kind of like lost it, right? But on a break even plus, I made 5 pip here. To be honest with you, here 24 September here pound Uzi again. This was a big one, 190, and then again 115 pip. Nice and clean to the upside. And on the 25th, USD CAD, another shot after the retest. This is what I'm talking about. You have a move here. You see, you have a move here, then the retracement. Then you have a big move here, then the sideways retracement. Then you have a big move here, then you retrace. And then you start again going to the upside. So this happens every single day, repetition of this pattern, right? An impulse wave and then a retracement. An impulse wave and then a retracement. So learning when the retracement is about to start and stay away from the market is very key factor. And then also learning when the real move is going to start, right? An impulse wave. Here, Euro USD on the 25th, Friday, right? The last day. It was not the last day, it was the entry. That's what I'm talking about, that I hardly trade this pair because the entry was on the 23rd, means Wednesday. But this damn thing didn't move much, right? So I wasn't closing it. So, Thursday, this Wednesday, it just moved a little bit. Thursday, this is what it did. Friday, this is what it did. So the daily range is, this is the most traded pair in the world. I don't know why, but yeah, everybody, likes it and trade it, but it doesn't move much. It doesn't give you much. In 3 days, it just gave me 70 pip. Pound Uzi in 1 day gave me 190 pip. Come on, So this is it. So these are the trades, almost like 19 and 20 trades, right? Big, very volatile week, and hope that the coming weeks are just like that. So just wanted to show you guys, and this is all because of the system and pre-planned trades, means the trade setups on a weekly chart. All of these I will show you in the next video, why I took all these pound pairs, pound USD to the downside, and then Euro Aussie and pound Aussie to the upside, right? There has to be a reason for that, right? And the setup is one thing, but setup is basically for the proper entry when you don't want to go negative at all, right? As soon as you make an entry here, see, if I make an entry here, I didn't go negative at all, right? Any of my trades, you see that. See, if you make an entry here, right, maybe 5 pip negative, that's it. Yeah, it went up and wobble here and gone. Here, not even 5 pip, right? It start to go up, and my entry was somewhere here, and then after that let's just go up, right? So this is the beauty about this setup here. Look, where are you gonna go negative here? You were going here, and I got in, and as soon as I got in, positive, 115 pip. Same thing here. As soon as I got in, positive, right? So this is the beauty of this setup. Then as soon as we got in, positive, here, negative a little bit, maybe 5, 6 pip, 10 pip, and then start dropping again. So this is what it is. And if it goes more negative, my SL is always 25 pip from the 20-minute chart. So if it goes and hit, all the most I lose is 25 pip once in a while. Here, see this entry here? Look at this. This entry never gave you a negative, even not a pip. This entry, right, never gave you a negative. This entry, not a single pip negative. So this is how this setup is. But still, you need the technical analysis on a weekly basis. So what to expect in which pair, right? So that's what I do. Webinars twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday, 4 p.m. Tomorrow I'm gonna do it on Sunday, 4 p.m. and make the charts and then give and explain it to my subscribers that this is what the chart is, this is what the setup, and this is what this pair is going to do, and you should be ready for long or short for these pairs, right? And look for the setup, and then I have the alarm as well. Then when the setup is about to happen, the alarm beeps. If you're not around the computer, you can hear the beep and come and take the trade. And also I have the Telegram channel where I post the trade setups, heads up, whenever I can, not all the time. I'm not gonna lie that I'm gonna give every single trade. I do not give signals buy and sell, right? That becomes brings the responsibility, but I give the heads up that like EA and GA up. Let's see. So that was the heads up that they are gonna go up, right? And when you see the setup and you hear the beep, give from the alarm, you just take the long. If not, then we don't take it. Simple as that. All right, so this is it for now. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then go on my website, myforexmagicwave.com. Here the website is. Let me see if I can show you here. Right, this is what I was doing before and after chart here, fixing these charts. You see, this is my website. You go, you use this subscribe button. And if you are very new and you want to learn the whole business from the beginning, then I have it's one-on-one here where you can come in and then join. And this is like a 10-hour course on Skype, me live teaching, right? You have different options here, so you can choose those. And let me show you some of those before and after. I'm going to make the next video, it's explaining most of these charts, but just, a glimpse of these. You see this New Zealand yen, right? This was my setup. I made the chart on the 6th September. That is going to drop, and it did drop like 600-700 pip. Similarly, pound USD, I made this chart right in the 1st September, and I wrote down here, don't worry, be ready. Then don't worry, be happy, because it dropped 800 pip straight from there. Okay, so this is how it is. This is pound USD weekly chart as well. This was the setup, and then we are more than halfway down there. So next week, hopefully, we're gonna reach our target here, and then we will see if we need to go more down or bounce from there. Similarly, New Zealand USD, I made the chart that we're gonna drop here. Look what it did today. This is like almost like 300-400 pip. This is the weekly chart. So a small candle represents a lot of pips, right? Similarly, New Zealand index chart drop, showing the drop here. Look, beautiful drop, right? So you can go on and on and on. And I have so many US dollar index beautifully going to the upside according to my plan and according to my prediction. So it helps a lot, right? So knowing which pair is about to do what, and in that direction, we get our setup and we get in the market, and every single day, like I said, there is a, for example, this is the current chart I made when it was here that it's gonna go up, and let's see if I posted on this yeah, right there, see that. So I said, well, this could be one of the possibility. Let's see. So it the C point is here, right? It's starting from B. Look, it's B, then it went up, came back, and then halfway to the upside here, and then now my current chart is that as long as we stay above 53.96, we're gonna go into this direction. And depending on, remember that market moves because of the fundies, not because of these charts. These charts are the road maps, like we are here, right? If the fundy comes out good for UK, for pound, what's gonna happen? This will start to go up. So now we know that if we can stay above 53.96, we can go to 54.55 and then break that. We next that target would be 55.92. We're gonna refuel our car, smoke a cigarette or whatever, and then go to 56.51. Go to the restroom and release ourselves, and then continue going to the upside to 57.78. So this is like a road map. You're traveling on a road, on a highway, and then if we go down, the next target would be 50 to 60, and then so on and so forth to the downside. I have that chart out as well, right? So that's how it is. So yeah, we're pretty much going to the upside, and according to the plan. This is a 33-minute chart, by the way. So a lot of weekly charts are right on the track. They are going, and hopefully the next week continue. I'm going to explain those charts to my subscribers tomorrow in the webinar. If you want to hear about them and be a part of it, go to my website, like I said, and subscribe, or get on one-on-one and start learning. All right. Without learning, this is the most lucrative business in the face of the earth right now, because you can just sit on your computer, on your chair, and then print money. But you can, as as good as giving out your whole account to the market if you don't learn, and you can lose a lot, right? It's very dangerous without learning. So I encourage to learn. All right, so this is it for now, and hopefully I'm going to show you my weekly setups and charts in the next video. All right, so thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.